Classic car lovers, get ready for something truly special. A beautifully restored 1972 Ford Bronco Half-Cab Pickup has just hit the auction block, and it's already turning heads among enthusiasts and collectors alike. While the modern Bronco has stirred plenty of excitement, it's the original first-generation models that hold a unique charm and legacy. This particular example is not just any Bronco, it's a rare half-cab pickup version, tastefully restored and brimming with vintage character. Finished in a striking bright green metallic, complemented by a Wimbledon White removable hardtop and a pearl white interior, this Bronco perfectly blends ruggedness with style. The restoration has been done with care and attention to detail, bringing back the shine and essence of this iconic off-roader. Its rarity, combined with its fresh looks, makes it an irresistible option for collectors. The vehicle also comes with plenty of thoughtful upgrades. A suspension lift of 2.5 inches and a 1-inch body lift enhance its stance, while manually locking front hubs and dual fuel tanks add practicality for off-road adventures. Adding a touch of Mustang DNA, a hood scoop borrowed from a 1969 Ford Mustang now sits proudly on the bonnet. The Bronco rides on classic 15-inch wheels and keeps its retro charm alive with a wood-rimmed steering wheel, vinyl upholstery, and even a retro-style head unit with Bluetooth connectivity, making it old-school yet modern enough for today's drives. Under the hood, this half-cab packs the muscle to match its looks. Power comes from a 302 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and a 2-speed transfer case. With 130 horsepower and 230 pound-feet of torque, the Bronco channels power to either the rear wheels or all four wheels depending on the driver's needs. It's not about blistering speed. It's about delivering the authentic driving experience of a classic 4x4. This example shows just 32,300 miles on the odometer. The current owner, who bought it as a project in 2020, has added only 250 miles since its restoration, which took place between 2019 and 2021. Nearly every part of the vehicle has been refreshed, with the carburetor rebuilt just a few months ago. The only noted flaw is a minor paint imperfection on the right rear wheel well, a small detail on an otherwise immaculate restoration. To sweeten the deal, the Bronco comes with a set of keys and the removed factory parts, making it even more appealing to purists. It carries a clean NC title and is currently located in Holly Springs. When it comes to value, the numbers speak for themselves. On average, a 1972 Ford Bronco sells for over $90,000, with the highest sale in the last 5 years reaching a jaw-dropping $335,500. Even the lowest recorded sale was $13,750, highlighting the wide range of values depending on condition and rarity. At the time of reporting, the current highest bid for this fully restored half-cab pickup stood at $13,500, with 3 days left before the auction closes. For collectors, this Bronco represents more than just a classic truck. It's a piece of history, a rare body style, and a machine that perfectly captures the spirit of adventure from a bygone era. Whether it ultimately sells for tens of thousands or crosses into six-figure territory, one thing is certain: this 1972 Ford Bronco half-cab pickup will make its next owner very proud.